Hello friends, welcome to Indispensable English. We have completed noun, pronoun, verb from parts of speech series so far. If you haven't watched it, I will give the link in the description. You can use it. We are going to see adjectives in today's session. We know that adjectives are only additional words. They give more information about a noun or a pronoun. They can describe quality, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, and purpose. They give more beauty to the language. Let us now see what is an adjective and what roles do the different kinds of adjectives play in today's session. Adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Examples: Alexander is a brave king. The sky is blue in color. That bird is peacock. In all these three sentences, we are having the adjectives. In the first one, brave. In the second one, blue. In the third one, that. These are all adjectives. Here are some adjectives: and intelligent, smart, little, enough, few, first, 100, this, how, mine. So in the sentences given above, if we ask what kind of king is Alexander, Alexander is a brave king. So it gives the adjective brave gives additional information about the noun Alexander. Like that in the next sentence also, the sky is blue in color. The adjective blue give additional information about the noun the sky. So adjectives modifies or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives and its kinds. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Now let us see adjective of quality. The very name quality tells, it is going to tell about quality. Words that describe quality of noun or pronoun is called adjective of quality. It answers to the question what kind. Here are some examples. He is an excellent orator. Nowadays children are very smart. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a brilliant scientist. The first one, excellent, is an adjective of quality. It qualifies the pronoun he. What kind of person is he? What kind of orator is he? He is an excellent orator. The next one, nowadays children are very smart. What kind of children are nowadays we can see children, they are very smart. Smart is an adjective of quality. Like that, what kind of scientist is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a brilliant scientist. So in all these three examples, excellent, smart, and brilliant are adjectives of quality. Here are some adjectives of quality: beautiful, clever, honest, brave, wise, good, tall, and short. Now let us see adjective of quantity. So there is always a difference between quality and quantity. Our performance should be a quality one instead of quantity one. Here we can see adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity describes the quantity of noun or pronoun. It answers to the question how much. They have enough money. There is a little water in the pond. We have much work to do. The first one, enough, is adjective of quantity. The next one, little, and the third one, much. So enough, little, much, all these are adjectives of quantity in these examples. So they tell they have enough money. We don't know exactly how much money they have. Like that in the second one also, in the third one also. How much work we have to do? We don't know the exact thing, number. So these are all adjectives of quantity. Here are some adjectives of quantity: little, much, more, enough, few, and some. Now let us see adjective of number. Words that describe exact number of noun or pronoun are called adjectives of number. It answers to the question how many. Examples: Neha has 2 pens. How many pens Neha has? Neha has 2 pens. She won first prize. 2 and 2 make 4. So in all these 3 sentences we can see the adjective of number: 2, first, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 4. All these are referring exact number. While adjective of quantity, we are unable to see the exact number, but the amount is referred approximately. But here we can see exact number is given. That's why these adjectives are called adjectives of number. Here are some adjectives of number: 1, 2, 3, first, second, fourth, 100. So all the numbers of are referred as adjectives of number. Now let us see demonstrative adjective. What is a demonstrative adjective? Words that point out a person, thing, or animal are demonstrative adjectives. Examples: this book is mine. That bird is peacock. They are my friends. So these words, this, that, they demonstrate the person, thing, or animal. So these are all demonstrative adjectives. Here are some demonstrative adjectives: this, that, these, those, it, they. Now let us see distributive adjective. What is a distributive adjective? It is used to refer a person or a thing at the same time. It will always take singular verb. Examples: each girl has to bring a book. Everybody speaks well. Neither of the chairs is comfortable. In the first one, each; in the second one, everybody; and in the third one, neither. All these 3 words are distributive adjectives. So there is one important point. The students will always make mistake. And these distributive adjectives, instead of using singular verb, they will use plural verb. For each girl, we may use each girl has instead of has, have. Like that, everybody speaks, we may use everybody speak. In the third one, neither of the chairs is, instead of is, we will use neither of the chairs are. So these are all common errors which we make during attending questions in these type of distributive adjectives. Here are some distributive adjectives: each, every, everybody, nobody, neither, either. So the important point in this is all these distributive adjectives will take only singular verb. They won't take plural verb. Interrogative adjective. So we are all familiar with the word interrogative. Interrogative means we know very well questions. So here the adjectives of WH question words which are used with nouns to ask questions are interrogative adjectives. Examples: which flower do you prefer? Whose house is this? How many days are there in a week? The underlined word here in these examples, which, whose, how many, are all examples of interrogative adjectives. These adjectives will end with a question mark. Always interrogative words will end with a question mark. Here are some interrogative adjectives: which, what, when, where, how many, and how much. Now let us see possessive adjective. Words that are used to show ownership are possessive adjectives. Examples: she is my sister. It is her bag. This house is mine. The first one my, second one her, the third one mine. These are all possessive adjectives. They show the ownership. Who is she? She is my sister. What is it? It is her bag. Whose it is? Whose bag it is? It is her bag. Whose house is this? This house is mine. So all these adjectives, my, her, mine, show the ownership. Here are some possessive adjectives: my, mine, his, her, their, our. Now let us see the interesting things about some of the interesting things about adjectives. Forming adjectives from nouns. So in the first column you can see some examples of nouns and how these nouns are changed into adjectives. The first one, ability, is a noun. Able is an adjective. Annum is a noun. For annum, the adjective will be annual. Then derivation is a noun. For derivation, we can use adjective as derivative. Wisdom is a noun. For that, the adjective will be wise. Frequency is a noun. For frequency, we will use frequent as an adjective. Then activity is a noun. For noun activity, we can use the adjective active. Then purity is a noun. For purity, we can use the adjective pure. Intelligence is a noun. For the noun intelligence, we can use the adjective intelligent. Here I want to give an example. Thomas Alva Edison is an intelligent scientist. Thomas Alva Edison is known for his intelligence. In the sentence, Thomas Alva Edison is an intelligent scientist, it refers to it is an adjective. It refers what kind of scientist is Thomas Alva Edison. It gives additional information to the scientist Thomas Alva Edison, an intelligent scientist. And Thomas Alva Edison is known for his wisdom, known for his intelligence. It is the noun form. Noun form of intelligent is intelligence. Now let us overview of what we learnt about adjectives and its kinds. Some of the examples are given here. Already we know an adjective describes quality of noun or pronoun. Now adjective means பண்பு உரிச்சொல். Adjectives are பண்பு பெயர் உரிச்சொல். Here words that describe quality of a noun or pronoun is called adjective of quality. For that examples are given here: good, smart, intelligent, wise, excellent and brilliant. Next, adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity describes the quantity of noun or pronoun. Here are some examples given: little, much, more, enough, few, some. The adjective of quantity நம்ம அளவு பெயர் உரிச்சொல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். adjective of quality நம்ம பண்பு பெயர் உரிச்சொல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். Next one, adjective of number. Adjective of number, the examples given here: 2, third, first, second, 500. Adjective of number, words that describe exact number of noun. அதை தமிழில் எண் பெயர் உரிச்சொல் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லலாம். இப்போ adjective of quantityக்கும் adjective of numberக்கும் we are able to see many difference. Quantity, it doesn't show the exact number. It shows only the approximate amount: little, much, more, enough, few, some, like that. But adjective of number shows the exact number: 2, third, 1, first, second, 500, like this. So we must notice this, the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Next, adjective of demonstrative, that is demonstrative adjective. Words that point out a person, thing or animal is called demonstrative adjective. அது தமிழில் சுட்டு பெயர் உரிச்சொல் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லலாம். இதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள்: this, that, these, those, they, it. The next one, distributive adjective. These distributive adjectives are used to refer a person or thing at the same time. It will always take a singular verb. The examples are each, neither, either, everyone, every, nobody. This distributive adjectives நம்ம எப்படி தமிழில் சொல்லலாம்னா இனம் பிரிக்கும் பெயர் உரிச்சொல். adjectivesனாலே பெயர் உரிச்சொல் தான். அது டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட்டிவ் அட்ஜெக்டிவ்ங்கிறது இனம் பிரிக்கும் பெயர் உரிச்சொல் அப்படின்னு தமிழில் நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். இன்ட்ராகேட்டிவ் adjectives. WH words are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Which, what, when, where, how many. The interrogative adjectives தமிழில் வினா பெயர் உரிச்சொல் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். Then possessive adjective. What is a possessive adjective? Words that are used to show ownership are called possessive adjective. அதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள்: my, mine, his, her, their, our. இது தமிழில் உடைமை பெயர் உரிச்சொல் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லலாம். We have learnt adjectives and its kinds in today's session. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Let us meet in the next session with more important and useful information in grammar. Thank you so much for watching.